Have better smile line. Upper teeth number 3, 8, 9 and 14 are on the same occlusal level. Have better occlusal relationship. Tooth 3 occludes on 30, tooth 14 occludes on 19, the cusp of tooth 6 occludes between 28 and 29, the cusp of tooth 11 occludes between 20 and 21. We design a lot of cases every day, and we deal with each of them in deadly earnest. Details please visit https://bloomden.com, Digital Design Service 77. HTML or WhatsApp to Bloomden 861-511-134-0691.